The WHA, or World Health Assembly, is an annual conference to decide the policies and agenda of the World Health Organization. Despite annual lobbying, Taiwan has been excluded since 2017 and only able to meet with friendly nations on the sidelines. This year, there are renewed efforts to include Taiwan, not just by the Taiwanese government, but also allies and sympathetic countries. The increased support for Taiwan comes in the wake of its proven ability to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The WHO maintains its Secretary General does not have the authority to issue an invitation.
That is procedurally how it is supposed to work under the Constitution. All 194 member states can consider the issue collectively in accordance with the rules of procedure. Member states can also choose to look for a diplomatically agreeable solution for handling this issue. They have done so many times in the past, working cooperatively together. Success on that depends on political will and political engagement, which underscores the point that this is a political issue that is properly in the hands of member states.
Taiwan's foreign ministry has thanked the countries that have voiced support for its participation. That includes the U.S. Congress for passing a law that asks Secretary of State Mike Pompeo to come up with a strategy to help Taiwan regain observer status at the WHA. The U.S. congressman who sponsored the bill praised Taiwan for being a model contributor to global health, contributing not only funds but experience over many years that have benefited more than 80 countries. Taiwan and its supporters argue that no one should be left out of the WHO. They say including Taiwan will allow it to more easily and fully access health information and share its experience with the world. CNA Taipei.